Alright, so my PlayStation 5 I just bought for 75 bucks at the flea market was overheating and crashing when I started playing Battlefield 6. I opened it up and cleaned an absurd amount of dust and debris out of it, but it still didn't work, so I had to take it completely apart, and I figured I would show you what it looks like after I had already cleaned it, to the best of my ability without taking the motherboard out, obviously. But this is, yeah. You believe that? And I already pulled out probably like 5 times as much as this. Beforehand. Crazy.